Hey guys, onza04. I'm going to bring you a quick product overview, I guess, more or less. Not a demonstration. Just kind of picked this up because I kept having issues trying to get the correct socket when I'm replacing my tires. So I was searching for something that has exactly what I needed, and this is kind of an innovative product that I found. It's an impact flip socket set made by TEKTON. And those are the sizes that come with it. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. Alright. Let's rip this open. Sorry about the non-focusing. Playing with a new DSLR camera, so it's going to be a little rocky, so to speak. Anything else on here that we should know about? There's the product review. Let's see if I can get that thing to focus. There we go. Not. Aha! There we go. Let's open this up. Pretty neat little product. There's a 1/2 inch. And the red one it's got 19 on one side and then 17 on the other. So that's kind of neat. You drop this inside and you get what you need. Pull this out. Vice versa, back and forth. Locks in, so it gives you dual purpose. What do we got here? The blue one is looks like standard 13/16 3/4, and lastly 7/8 and 21 millimeter. I think Toyota used this one. I'll have to double check that, but kind of a cool little product. You drop it in. Boom. That's neat, and I dig it already. So hopefully that was somewhat informative. Comes in a plastic container, nothing too fancy, but there it is, man. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Peace.